How to create dependencies in Smartsheet. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create dependencies using Smartsheet. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Smartsheet website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, already in my Smartsheet dashboard, and I already prepared my project activities that I need to do step by step. So I need the dependencies because dependencies is very helpful for your project management to ensure that you're doing all of your activities on correct time and order, and that's it. So as you can see, this is all the activities. So this is just an example. So for example, this is my activities and I want to create a dependencies out of this. So this is how you're going to do it. As you can see, you can click the column of this the column where this activities belong. So this is the column. I rename it activities, and I can just right click it, and right here on the options you can see edit project settings. So if you click that, as you can see, you will see this error. So you need to have a two date column first before you can edit your project management. So I will change this column type to date and click and change it to start date. And also this one, I will change the column type to date also and change the name to end date. And that's it. Now I have two date columns. So now I can just edit the project settings. So as you can see, if I click this project settings, this will appear. So as you can see, you will find a dependency settings that you can enable, and after you click that, as you can see, there will be a text that will appear that says the duration and predecessors are included in the sheet. So just click OK, and if you want, you can just edit this options if you want to change something on your dependency settings. And after you're done with this, just click done, and that's it. As you can see, the duration and predecessors are already added in the sheet, and you can just add a start date and end date if you want, and it will the predecessors and the duration will take the rest, and that's it. That's how you set up dependency settings in Smartsheet, and it's pretty easy. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Bye.